Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Windows cache safely in your computer. Well, the cache always makes your Windows bit slower and bit sluggish to the performance. So how you can simply clear them? Let's get started. So first, we're going to go for a very simple method. Go to start icon, search here clean MGR, search over it, and then if you just click on run as administrator, and here you opened disk cleanup. So here you need to select your drive. Here I just selected the C drive, click OK, and they're calculating the cache file, and here we come up with the Microsoft Defender antivirus, Windows upgrade log files, and lots more. Here is a catch: if in recycle bin, if you have important data, then you better not select it. But if it's not, then you can simply select it. After that, we can simply click on OK and delete file, and that will cleaning up the C drive cache. After completing the disk cleanup, we're going to move forward to Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store, you can download and install a lot of apps, and for that reason we get a lot of cache from Microsoft Store. How you can delete those cache? In a very simple way. You can simply press Windows plus R in your keyboard. Into the run program, we can simply type here ws reset.exe and simply click OK, and it will cleaning up your all cache that are stored in Microsoft Store. After, we're going to move forward to clear DNS cache. If you have facing issues for using your internet, and maybe there are a lot of DNS caches that are sluggish, that are slowing down your internet experience. So how you can simply solve it? You have to come over into the start icon, simply search here cmd and run as administrator. After open up the command prompt, you can simply type here ipconfig//dns. Simply type it and click enter. You will get the message from Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now close it, and now we're going to move forward to File Explorer cache. If you go for the File Explorer and go for this PC, then you will get the three dot option over here. If you click on that, then we're going to move for options. If you click on options, there will be a folder option pops up. Into the folder option, here you can get the privacy option. Make sure you click the general, and here is the privacy option, and from here you can simply click on clear. It will going to clear your show recently used file, show frequently used files, and show files from office.com. If you're a heavy Windows user, or if you're a heavy Windows Explorer user, then this might be give you a very freshen up start in your Windows Explorer. After completing the method 4, we're going to move forward to 5. If you are a Chrome user and you have a lot of cache, if you're facing sluggish and slowness in your Chrome browsing, then you can simply come over into this three dot and then simply click on delete browsing data. If you click on delete browsing data, you can get bunch of options over here: last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24, and last 7 days. Also, there are more options like last 4 weeks or all time. It depends on when you're facing this problem. Make sure if you browsed any of website that making this sluggish problem, you can simply set last hour or maybe in last minute, and then simply select all of them, all file, site settings, and hosted app data, and delete them all. It can save, or it can make your Windows Chrome experience better than before. So this is all the clear Windows cache safely method that can help you to clear Windows cache. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of video you expecting from us to give you a better solution for your Windows experience.